In this lesson, we will learn about custom and autofill lists. Starting with autofill lists, you can just type 1, 2, highlight, then drag down till you get your desired numbering. Let's say you want to have a numbering list with a gap of 3. You can type 2, 5, then select, highlight your selection, drag down, and you will see that 2, 5, 8, 11, etc. You can use this with time, date, month. January 1st, 2020. Okay, drag down. Days, Sun, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And also you can use it with time. 5 a.m. Drag. You'll get timing. Let's say you want to have gaps, whether it's date, day, month, time. You can have that. Let's try it with time. 5 a.m. 8 a.m. Select, drag. 5, 8, 11, 2 p.m., 5 p.m. Now let's talk about custom lists in Excel. You have a table and it includes days of the week. No need for you to type all the days. You only need to type one day, Sun, as we saw before. Okay, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, let's say you have time here. Okay, let's say you wake up at 6 a.m. and you have your list. Now you wonder, can I make my own custom list? The answer is yes. There are two ways to create your own custom lists. First, you can type the desired list. Let's say name, age, gender, location, email. Now you can either highlight this list and define a name. Okay, let's say my list, enter. Now you have defined the name. I'm removing the focus away from that list. Now I can go to File, Options, Advanced, scroll to the end, Edit Custom Lists, click here, next to Import. I can type my list, then click over Import. It's imported to the custom lists. Then I can click OK. OK. Name. Drag. There you go, you have your list now. Now let's create another list. Store ID, city, state, revenue, highlight it, go click File, click Options, Advanced, scroll to the end, Edit Custom Lists. Already Excel selected the highlighted list. Click Import, click OK. Again OK. Let's say store ID, city, state, revenue. If I go backwards, it will go revenue, state, city, store ID again. I can go up, store, revenue, state, city, store ID. You can go in any direction.